Want my 60-second take on the Epson SureColor G9070? We better get going. This is Epson's follow-up to the best-selling G6070, and they went big. A 64-inch DTF production printer built on Epson's industrial signage platform, weighing in at a whopping 750 pounds and running on 220 volts of power. This printer is 4 colors, CMYK, with white inks that also allow you to print white and color in line. It uses large 1.6-liter bulk ink bags that keep you printing longer between changes. Speed, sellable color, and white prints at a blazing 350 square feet per hour. The headline feature is dual roll printing. It runs 2 rolls at the same time, side by side. Another highlight is a user-replaceable printhead, which ensures maximum uptime for your shop. In addition to being user-replaceable, this PrecisionCore Micro TFP printhead is a massive 2.4 inches, which increases speed and reduces banding when running at high speeds. Other cool features of the G90 include automated maintenance, fabric wiper, white ink circulation, and Epson's nozzle verification technology. Don't forget, these units come with a 1-year on-site warranty that can be extended up to 5 years. The price, under $25,000. And we are taking orders now, so go to itsupplies.com, get your order in. As always, if you found this video helpful, go online, like it, subscribe, or comment. Thanks.